My name is Alan Joseph. I'm the operations manager for Eagle Security Fire and Life Safety. Since the launch of the EST4, we've installed 17 panels and we have 3 more in process right now. Out of the 17 panels that we installed, one of them was a new system. The rest of them were all retrofits where we replaced Simplex panels, Siemens panels, Thorn panels, and EST3s. So the project I'm going to be discussing today was a senior living facility where we retrofitted a DMP panel, and there were over 300 devices on 3 separate loops. The existing system was no longer supported. It was very difficult for them to get service, let alone parts, and it was failing. We had recently retrofitted another facility of theirs with an EST3, and they fell in love with all the features. And when we showed them the upgraded options with the EST4, it was a no-brainer for them. So we decided to make this a phased retrofit. The first phase was to replace the panel and all the initiating devices. The second phase would be to replace all the notification devices from horns to speakers, giving them an audio feature. The last and final phase would be to replace all the room smoke detectors so they had room by room enunciation of issues. One thing that contributes to the cost savings of a retrofit is the EST3 to EST4 conversion tool, which captures all the important data from the EST3 panel and makes it very easy for programming the EST4. And ironically, 99% of our customers are not concerned with all the cost savings that we were able to implement during the installation. The customers really like the way that the panel blends in with their lobbies or their office, wherever the panel may be mounted. I've been involved with Edwards and the Edwards family for over 25 years. I started in this industry with the IRC3. I was trained on the ESA2000, the 8500, the EST2 DOS version, the EST3, and now the EST4. And what I see is a beautiful progression from one platform to another. It just gets better and better all the time.